Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I am back with another Kaja unboxing. They kindly sent me their new Love Blur semi-matte blurring lip balms. So today I'm going to show you these new lippies and swatch them for you. So if you want to see all these new lippies from Kaja and the swatches, then keep watching. So these are the new lip blurs from Kaja. The packaging looks adorable. There's 6 different colors. This is a semi-matte blurring lip balm with nourishing and buildable formula, and they're clinically proven to boost your lips hydration for 24 hours. These have shea butter and avocado oil, vitamin E, and green tangerine. These retail for $18, and you can get them at Macy's, Nordstrom's, or KajaBeauty.com. So this is the packaging. It is super cute. I love Kaja's packaging. It's just always so cute and so simple. So now let's get on to swatching. I'm gonna zoom you in. This first shade is called Pure Cupid. So this is just like a clear, but I can definitely see it getting matte, which is kind of interesting. I feel like I would wear this with just like a lip liner, or this is gonna be the one that I keep on my vanity that I just wear on the weekends. Next up is Sweet Bestie. Oh, this is giving like a nice, pretty peachy, very light. That's why I like Kaja, because they give such a natural kind of look to your lips or just your makeup in general. But this is Sweet Bestie. I love the color. Next up we have Tangy Love. This is going to be a great color for summer. I love this. Is such a pretty, these swatches aren't perfect by the way, but this is such a perfect like red orange shade that isn't going to make you look like a clown. I really like this. Like, I would feel confident wearing this, and this is the type of color that I never feel confident in. I really like this. I'm also realizing that the top of the lid and then lipstick match. That is just a cute little detail that I love. Next up is Romantic Vibe, and this shade I think might be a favorite. Yes. Romantic Vibe is going to be a color I wear pretty much every day. This is one of the only kind of pinky shades that I feel like looks good on me, and I'm obsessed with it. Next up we have My Heart. Ooh. My Heart is like a My Lips but better shade, and I love it. It's actually a nude that I like, and if you've been with my channel for a while, I don't do nudes, but this I feel like looks so pretty on. And if I add like a little bit of like a brown lip liner, oh, that'd be so pretty. And last up we have Affection, and I cannot wait to try Affection. Ooh. Guys, this color is stunning. Stunning. I love it. These are so good. These are amazing, but they're very creamy on the lips and very comfortable. They're matte, but they're not that uncomfortable matte feeling that some matte lip products give. I really, really like these. Everything will be linked down below if you want to try them out. I definitely recommend them. I think all the shades are really, really pretty, and I feel like you guys will love them all. Let me know which shade was your favorite in the comments down below. I'm so excited to wear these. I cannot wait. They are all so pretty. Thank you, Kaja, for sending me your new lip blurs. These are going to be a new staple in my everyday makeup routine. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!